stain on the mattress, same old ache in my chest. I wake up wasted, sweating.